A video switcher opens up a ton of possibilities for your video production, mixing sources and adding effects in real time. It's important to establish a workflow for switching between sources properly, and in this video, we will show you how. Some people use a live video switcher like they would a piano, only pressing input buttons on the program bus to switch between sources. While this works, it could lead to mistakes, and there are no second chances on a live shoot. Your camera operator can still be setting up the shot for that particular input, or your talent may not be ready to go live. For a more professional workflow, using the preview bus is the key to success. Press a camera input and it will glow green. You'll see the camera input in preview. You can confirm the shot is exposed, in focus, and on the right subject, and if not, you can choose another input or camera. When you have a shot that you like and that's ready to go, press cut to take it to program. Now the input that was on program will go to preview, and the input that was on preview will go to program. So you can cut back to it or choose another input. Using this method will help ensure you don't take any inputs live by mistake. If you're working with someone, you can say ready camera 1 to put camera 1 in preview, then say take or cut to camera 1 to have it go live to program. We hope you found this video helpful. Follow us on social media to see more tech tip videos here every Tuesday, as well as announcements and tutorials on the latest Datavideo equipment. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next Tech Tip Tuesday.